In nature and in life, white and pink often meet in the most unexpected places. White petals shelter tiny pinky anthers, nature's delicate heartbeat. White fur with a soft pink nose, a reminder of innocence and warmth. Even sky joins in, painting the white snow with shades of rosy morning. And in our treats, cream, yogurt, strawberry, and icing, white and pink bring comfort and sweetness. It is in our smiling too, white teeth framed with gentle pink lips, offering kindness and connection. When colors cooperate, the world becomes kinder. We also blend gently with kindness, inclusion, compassion, empathy, diversity, and love of nature. That's the kind way. This is Bunnyhood's Nature channel. If you have found value in this video, please remember to subscribe, to comment, and share it with your friends. That will help us make the world better for all of us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.